Hello! In today's video, we will demonstrate the interchangeable hot ends assembly featured on the Pro3 series printers from Raise 3D. The interchangeable hot ends assembly featured on the Pro3 series are simple to remove, making the process of switching nozzles and performing regular maintenance more straightforward. Before handling the hot ends, make sure to unload any remaining filament and wait for the nozzles to completely cool down. Removing an interchangeable hot end assembly is simple. First, open the red clamp located on top of the hot end, to reveal a black handle. Grip the black handle to pull the interchangeable hot end out, removing it from the extruder. To install the hot end, open the red clamp to reveal a black handle. Hold the hot end by the black handle and align it with the groove on the extruder. Slide the hot end along the groove and make sure the pin aligns with the extruder's buckle. Press down on the red clamp to close the clamp. The process of removing and installing an interchangeable hot end assembly is now complete. Please run Z offset calibration after completing this process, to ensure the hot end perform properly. The interchangeable hot end assembly of the Pro3 series make it easy to switch between different hot ends and perform maintenance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact Raise 3D.